How to log in to PayPal account. So if you want to log into PayPal, then all you have to do is first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and then on the search bar search for PayPal login, and then after searching, on the first search you will have www.paypal.com. click on that, and here to log in, first you have to enter your email or your mobile number. So enter that, but if you forgot your email, then you can simply click on forgot email, and then you can enter 2 to 3 emails, and you can simply click on next. But if you remember your email, then that's best. So enter your email or mobile number, and now after entering your email, you have to enter your password, your PayPal password, and after entering your password, then you can click on login. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option here. You can simply click on forgot password, and then you can reset your password. So after entering all of this information, simply click on login, and you will be logged into your PayPal account. So that's it guys, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.